What's up, guys? It's Ryan with the MXG YouTube channel, and I just wanted to make a quick, just kind of an off-the-cuff video here talking about a few more rumors that have been floating around the internet about the new generation KTMs and Husqvarnas. If you're not familiar with what it looks like or what we think it's going to look like, I'll put the links down below into my last videos. But we have seen pictures, multiple different pictures of the bike. We've seen Cooper Webb riding the bike. So we have a very good idea of what the body, at least the body panels and stuff, are going to look like. The factory bikes, the factory rider bike always tends to be a little bit different than the actual production FE. So we probably aren't going to see the silver triple clamps like we see on AP's bike. I'm anxious to see if we see that orange seat though, but we'll just have to see. I would expect this bike to be announced just about any time. So, and when it's announced, dealers will be ordering them. I don't know when the bike would get here, but I'm guessing late January to early February is what I would be thinking. But what's some rumors that are floating around right now about the factory editions? Well, one that I've heard a lot is that there could be a 250. KTM hasn't done a 250 factory edition in a while. I can't even remember. I know they have before. I'm not sure if it was when Marvin was riding the 250, but definitely not since I've been involved with the KTM scene at all. So 250 factory edition would be super cool. But we know the KTM will be all new, 250 and 450. We know the Husky is going to be all new, 250 and 450. So does this mean they'll do a Husky 250 factory edition as well? Because if so, that would be ultra cool. But that leaves us with GasGas. Now, I was pretty sure that the GasGas models were probably going to remain the same for at least a year. Now the rumors are that they could remain the same for 2 years, which, guys, that's not really a bad thing. That's going to keep the GasGas price low. And the GasGas, this current GasGas is beating out the current KTM in a lot of the shootouts because of the cost, because of the flex from the cast clamps. So just something cool to think about. Definitely, we definitely always appreciate KTM giving us options. So when they give us 4 factory edition options, that is just crazy cool. I mean, KTM has more special edition bikes than most of the Japanese manufacturers even have bikes. So something cool to think about. But as far as the look of the bike, the shroud has started to grow on me a little more the more and more I look at it. I've seen some other people say the same thing, but man, I'm excited. I'm ready to see this factory edition 450 in its factory edition production trim. Hoping I end up with one of these bikes myself, so we will see. But yeah, I want to thank all you guys for watching and let you know that as soon as this bike is announced, I'll be dropping a video, showing it to you guys, letting you know my thoughts, letting you know how things came out compared to how we thought they might. So you're definitely going to want to hit the red button down below so you don't miss it. If you want to go a step further and join my race team, hit the blue button. I'll see you guys in the next video.